Hey y'all, this is Jan from an Alaskan Crafter. Well, here we are in our cozy little spot. We made it to our camping place, having our morning tea, Jeffalope having his cereal. The mosquitoes are nasty here, little buggers. And yeah, it was cold last night. We stayed semi-warm, but it was pretty cold. Miss Lala's tent because, you know, she's camping, not glamping. This is a really nice little spot. I got these outdoor rugs, and Lala made fun of me, and I told her, you know, it's better to have our yarn projects fall on this than on the ground that's full of pine needles and who knows what. And guess what, y'all? As she was putting on her pillowcase for her pillow. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. I found somebody in the trees. I found Santa, y'all. There's our special guest. She came camping with us. Anyway, she dropped her pillowcase and it landed on this. Where's the camera? Right there. Got her. Well, y'all, we had to change campsites because up where we were at was cold. So we came closer to the main. There's Miss Santa. Hi, our special guest. And let's see, can I get...
Go for a walk. Let's go for a walk.
There's fresh snow up on that peak from the rain we got last night. It rained all night. Let's see. Says he's going to take me for a walk because we haven't walked enough. And I know I have been very bad about videoing the trip.
Look, y'all, what's that over there? Let's go find out.
What is that?
No, come on.
Do they let homeless people in here? That is not a clump of snow.
It looks like, what in the world?
Okay.
Hold on, y'all.
It's getting scary. It's getting really scary. Ooh, Mercy B, y'all hear that? Uh-oh. They do let homeless people in here. Look at this.
What in the world?
I don't know, Seta, should we go up on it?
Go slow, y'all. Go slow. We're gonna creep up on this.
Uh-oh, it's waking up. It's waking up. It's coming out of its den.
It's an egg beggar.
It's about time you guys got here.
Golly.
Look at what I've had to sleep on.
Oh, Porters, did you get all rained on last night?
Yeah.
Look at her. She's.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh.
It's the
Oh.
egg beggar.
Oh. Hi, everybody.
It's Seta and the beggar.
Hi, everybody on that end. They left me out here all by myself.
Well,
That's all right.
you could have gone home with that moose.
That's true. I could have. It's all right. I had my eggie,
And you had a pretty pillow.
and I have my pillow. It's wet now. It's okay. Yeah.
And her wet blanket, because it did, like I said, it rained
It
all
did rain
night.
last night. I'm just going to tell you guys that. And I may appear to be dry, but I'm really not.
You could see the goosebumps on the poor thing. Look at her. She's froze to death.
My lips all. Okay, now. Where's Dare's Jen?
Yeah, maybe. I
It's
don't
the
know.
troublemakers.
I can't. It won't let me turn it.
I have to start mine over.
The
Flip.
Okay.
Yeah, and they appear like I was. Hi there and hi there.
We found her. She
I was
she
sleeping on a
appears.
picnic table.
Well, you know, Seth and I were kind of scared coming up here because we were thinking that they were letting the homeless come in here, that great big old blob, and it wasn't a pile of snow.
Nope.
It was an egg beggar.
It's
It was
our
the
egg beggar.
Yeah.
We'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Yep, I think I can see him. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So we have seen porcupine, moose, bear, and now the caribou. In Antler. Oh, grass. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's two of them over there. Three. Oh, there's the other one. Okay, babe, you can go. Thank you.
Don't take no pictures of my babies.
Are you hungry?
Are they nursing or?
I think it's not right there, that one. Oh, yep, she is. This baby's thirsty.
It's a park. I don't.
Those babies were probably born yesterday. Oh, watching them walk, and they are just tiny and they're wibble wobbling. Yeah. Oh, it's okay, Mama. It's okay, Mama. You sweet bit, Mama.
Okay, so somebody triple dog dared me to do the chicken dance in the
Let me know why.
So I'm gonna.
You're like a crazy lady.
So here we go. And somebody's got to make chicken noises.
Okay, I just got to tell y'all, we have a tourist who said, well, maybe no, and then Jeffalope was like, get me out of here.
All right, so I did my chicken dance.
Love you.
Love you too. Guys, have fun. Oh, it's empty.
Yeah, darn. And there are our tours. Okay, what y'all didn't see, she did the chicken dance in her cheeky shoes. Look at them ankles. Bootamus.